Hi, good morning everyone. My name is Sunny Biswa and I'm one of the master trainer in EduBridge. Hope you're enjoying the videos that I'm uploading on YouTube. Thank you so much for the wonderful support and keep on supporting me by giving me maximum likes. Thank you so much. Today I have picked on a topic where we'll be talking about soft skills and hard skills. So we will be talking about skills. Why is it important in our life? So let's get started with our soft skills and hard skills. So when I talk about soft skills, you might see here, I have noted down communication skills. So we all know we communicate in different languages. We do communicate verbally, we do communicate non-verbally as well. So this is one of the skills that we have under soft skills, communication skills. So communication is important because we have to be expressive. We should be able to understand and express our feelings, our emotions to the second person that we are talking to. Now the second point is integrity. When I talk about integrity, it's being honest about yourself and the work that you're doing, and it's about having the right principles, guys. We all have our principles. We have our dignity. So integrity is very important if you're doing any of the work. Why? Why integrity is important? First of all, it shows that you're responsible, it shows your reliability, and when you're doing work, you have your own principles to follow. Having said that, we will be talking about teamwork. Now, teamwork. Teamwork is a very important topic, guys. We, in today's generation, we do not work alone. We have subordinates working with us. We have an entire team that is working with us. So I am a very important link to my team. I have a team member of 4 people. So what happens if I do not perform, my team will not perform. So now, when it talks about teamwork, I should be able to perform as a team and as an individual. So how are we going to do that? I believe for all of you, you do watch sports. You do watch cricket, you do watch football, you do watch other kinds of sports as well. When an entire team is involved to play that particular game. Similarly, if any of the team member, let's suppose, it's not performing. Let's suppose I am a goalkeeper and I am supposed to save the goals, but today I'm not performing. Due to my inability to perform, my team might lose the game. So I have to make sure I give my 100% when I am doing anything, be it individual or be it in a team. Okay? So if you give your 100% in a team, your entire team member will be motivated and they will also give 100%. Okay? Alright. So now talking about creativity. So now, we in today's generation, we talk about we are very creative, guys. So if we talk about creative things, we do work on art. If you have seen artists, they have a lot of creativity. They look at things not normally, not like normal people. If they're looking at the mountains, they will try to portray an image and then they will try to put it on a canvas. Yeah. So now, why we are talking about creativity? So if you start working, so you have to do smart work. You have to do smart work. When your creative thinking, which will help you do that smart work, or else you will only be doing hard work. So you have to think creative and think out of the box to make a change. Okay? Having said that, we have problem solving. So problem solving is a skill, guys. Not everyone has it. Only a few of us we have it. So problem solving means how you take that particular situation. Let's suppose I'm in a difficult situation. How do I react to that particular situation? How do I handle that situation? I make it worse or I make it better. Now all of us, we have been into problems. Now it depends how did you handle that problem. With aggression, or you were polite enough, and you're mature enough to handle that situation with care. So problem solving technique is really important because all of us, we do have problems. And if we know how to solve the problem in a correct manner, we will not face any more problem in future. Because I will be ready to handle any situation. Because I'm a problem solver. Okay? Alright. Having said that, coming to critical thinking and adaptability. So now critical thinking is the ability to think in difficult situation. When the situation is critical and you have to make the judgment on that. For example, let's suppose I need a suggestion, I came up to you and I'm in a very difficult situation, it's very critical for me, and you happen to be a very good advisor and you happen to give me good advices that I take in and incorporate it and inculcate it, and then I am out of the problem. So critical thinking, it is really important because you have to take decision for yourself and on behalf of others as well. Okay? Alright. So now talking about adaptability. Now, adaptability is really important, guys, because we as a human being, we can adapt to any atmosphere, any work culture. However, we need some time. So there are people who cannot adapt to new changes. For example, if I give you an example of COVID-19. Earlier, everyone was panicked. When it initially started, everyone was panicked, everyone was scared. But slowly and gradually, if you have seen, everyone has adapted the change and they have started living with it. So that is known as adaptability. We human beings, we are very good in adapting new changes. So yes, now we'll be talking about hard skill. So this was soft skill that we have talked about. These are the points that we have picked up, which is very important in soft skill. First is communication, integrity, teamwork, creativity, problem solving, critical thinking, and adaptability. Now coming up to hard skills. Hard skill is nothing but your skills that you have. For example, you are a very good driver, you are a very good racer, you are a very good football player. So that falls under your hard skills, the performance that you do. Now here I have jotted down technical skills. So some of us, we might be very good with computers. That means I have very good technical skills. Yeah? Some of you might be very good at data management. You can easily manage any kind of data. Some of us, we might be very good at networking and security. So these are nothing but your technical knowledge, guys. As I've said, hard skill is the skill that you have, that you've learned, that you have developed, and you're working on it every day. Let's suppose I'm a very good archer. So that falls under my hard skills. Okay? Now talking about data mining. Data mining is also one of the skill set. So how does data mining works? Data mining is nothing but a survey which is conducted, and we collect the information from the government and we do the data. We pick up the important data to conduct that particular surveys. Okay? Now talking about mobile development and marketing management. So all of us, we have been learning, we have been reading, we are going to college schools to do these type of jobs. So once we complete our studies, once we graduated, so either I have done BTech, MTech. So if I have done BTech, MTech, my fourth A will be technical knowledge. If you have done MBA, so you will be into marketing. And talking about mobile development, in today's generation, all of us use smartphone. All of us, we use smartphone. And now, there's no one to work with. Earlier, there were no one to, solve the issue when it comes to mobile phone. We had limited people because they did not have the right knowledge. So they came up with a course wherein they teach people how to fix cell phones. Similarly, we have mobile development. So talking about development, it's not only hardware, it's related to software as well. Okay? Now talking about marketing management, guys. Yes, we will be part of marketing, wherein we will be doing a lot of marketing. We can do marketing through digital, we can do marketing through social networking, we can do marketing from door to door. So now this is also falls under hard skills, wherein you will be taught what to do, guys. So these are the things that you will be taught, that you have learned, that you have already learned, and you have the fourth A in it, because you guys are really good at it. So this falls under hard skill. Soft skills is the skills that you develop in yourself, like your communication skills, ability to handle the situation, solve the issue, problem solving, critical thinking, adaptability. So this is in you. And hard skill is something that you can learn. Maybe you can go and take a course of data entry. You can take a course of accounting. You can take a course of hardware and networking. So that once you get certified, once you know how to do this work, this skill set will fall under hard skill. Okay. So I hope you enjoyed the video. Also visit our website, which is www.edubridgeindia.com. Thank you so much once again. Keep liking. Thank you.